Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, how are you? How have you been? What have you been up to? Do let me know because I'm really interested. Leave me a note in the comments below and I'll always get back to you. So today I'm pretty excited to be here because I have been waiting so long for my Planners Anonymous things to turn up. They've had a few issues with warehouses doing them over, and they have now moved to a new warehouse. And slowly they are getting things out of the door, which is fantastic news because I, like you, if you are subscribed, I'm in exactly the same boat. And anybody still waiting for their September orders, I'm in exactly the same boat too. Just because I'm a stylist, I do not get any special preference, but here we are. So it's epic news that it's finally being shipped and finally getting out of the door. And today I have received my Into the Wild kit, which was January's. I think it was January. So this came direct from the new warehouse, which took just over a week to get to me here in the UK, which is brilliant. That is super speedy. And the artwork to this is just stunning. Now, I have unpacked it all apart from the die cuts and the sticker stamp set because I don't really want to be rustling around on camera. But what we're going to do is delve into these. So first of all, as always, we get a gorgeous pen, which this month it is silver barreled with this gorgeous turquoisey blue colour, and we've got turquoise and green and white gems inside, if you can see that. It's so pretty. Then we have the 3 washi tapes. Now, I'm really excited for these because when Sammy showed me the sneak peek for this one, I was like, oh my god. Especially with journaling and everything at the moment that I'm really into. This is epic on so many proportions. I'm a little sad because although it is classed as winter still because we're in February, it is starting to heat up here in the UK. So I'm going to have to pack this, stick that somewhere else, pack this kit away and probably save it for the winter because unless I go, I don't know, to the Swiss Alps. Not that I have any plans to at the moment. But look at this. It's got silver foil on, which is just gorgeous. And then these scenes. And the scenes in the windows. It's just stunning. I'm not going to peel it out too far. That's very Harry Potter themed. Oh, okay. Now I've just thought of something. Because I have just been playing Hogwarts for, well, since it came out. I had it on pre-order. And these I can use in my journal when it comes round to winter. There's an idea for you. That is the big wide washi. Then in the skinny washi we have this gorgeous pleated check design. I'm not going to roll that out because it's pretty obvious what that is. And then in the standard 15mm, which is the one that I use the most, and I could have done with this back in January, to be fair, because I went to an owl sanctuary and this would have been perfect. I can never find the end of washi tape. And these gorgeous snowy owls, like tawny owls, all sat on a thing, all sat on like a branch, and then a gorgeous mountain, snowy scene behind. I really, really like that. Now you can pick this kit up as a back kit, back kit, whatever you want to call it, on the website. However, the additional papers have sold out, so you will not be able to get those. So this is the standard one. Now let me just zoom out a little bit more. That's better. Now this is the standard papers, so this will come in the box that you order if you order the box. So you get 2 sheets of each, and we've got this gorgeous scene. It's stunning. It's just beautiful. And then we've got the gorgeous owls. I love the colours, and the artwork is love this. I'm so saving this for winter because it's just, I could deck my whole planner out with this. I think this could be a cover. I wonder if I can make this into a cover because I really, really like this. And then you get, you don't get that pet tape. That's just rather rudely strewn in my view. Oh, and I forgot to show you the back. So we've got blue, it's like a stony browny colour, and then the green on the backs of those. Let's just put them to one side. Then we have the gorgeous vellum I absolutely love this. And then we have white. Oh wow, that's cool. So you can't really see that. We put it over the top of that and you can see it. We've got the white snowflake acetate, which I really love. I'm going to save this for winter. I'm really sorry, but I'm going to have to save it for the end of the year because it's beautiful. Now these are the additional paper pack that you can get as an add-on to the subscription if you want. Sometimes they have additionals in the shop. This has sold out, so you won't be able to get this, but I am going to show it you anyway. So we've got the all gorgeous pine trees, and we've got like a black and grey on the back. Then we've got that gorgeous check and the snowflakes. They are so pretty. God, they're gorgeous. And then we've got another sheet because you get an additional sheet of each one of those. So that's all the papers. Then as standard in the standard kit, you get 2 sheets of stickers. Now, I'm just in absolute awe of this new style artwork. Let me just grab. So this is past. It's very different. It's more water, to me it's more watercoloured. Well, it's all watercoloured, but yeah, that doesn't make sense. I know what I mean. But it's a different artist. It's not this kit isn't by Holly, I think that's right. So yeah, it's beautiful. I love these paw prints. I need like 10,000 of those. And this wolf, it's just, and the girl is just, oh, epic. I would so buy this. It's like a winter planner. Really, really like this. And I really like this as well, how this is cut out. Really, really like those. Yeah. Oh, and I love the fact that she's put the kit stamp back in. That's nice. That's a new addition. So that's going to delve into the sticker book. Now you can purchase this on its own, or you can subscribe to just the sticker book on its own too, which I absolutely love these. I still haven't got around to doing something with these covers that I have an idea for. Probably in one of my very first ones, I think it was Masquerade, I said that I had an idea and I still haven't got around to doing it. It's just time constraints. But yeah, so we have gorgeous silver foiling. I'm going to flick it because I've got you can probably see in the reflection here that I have a big window here. There you go, that's how big my window is. It's massive. It goes along the side of the desk. Anyway, back to the sticker book. So I love these. I love the wood because you can write on that, and just the scene, it reminds me of Hogwarts and snow. Oh, I can't wait for this. I love this. Definitely keeping this for winter. Oh, and I like this. The fact that these are foiled. I can't get my words out today. That's what's new. And I love the fact that she's put the journaling bit in here. And the owl's got some eyelids that are foiled. And I love the fact that she still puts these extra bits down here, because once you're finished with the sticker page, or if you like me, just tear it out and go for it anyway, you can cut them out and there are extra bits and bobs. I absolutely love clear sticker paper at the moment. I wish everything was on clear sticker paper. Not the week, this is what I call a weekly section, but I wish all of this was on. Not necessarily all of it, but I'd like more, because that's just me. But I love the transparent stuff. I really like the snowflakes. This scene's gorgeous. I've got to save it. I'm supposed to do projects with this, but I've got to save it. It's just so pretty. So pretty. And then you've got your sheet of minis, as always. And I say it every month. She's my favourite. And it's just, yeah, just love it. This is me at the minute, because you probably tell in my voice I'm not 100% well. And then we go into the weekly sticker kit bit, and we've got our full box sidebar here, which is just, I just love this. I need to get hold of the I don't think there's a creative kit out yet, but I think there's a bit on Etsy, because they've now got an Etsy store for digitals. So I'm gonna have to look into that, because I really like this artwork, and I think I need to print it on a bigger scale to be able to make it fit around my Hobonichi. So yeah, I absolutely love this. It is gorgeous. I hope, fingers crossed, she may consider selling this in the future, because as a digital, because I would love extras of the weekly kit as a digital definitely. That dog is beautiful. Husky. It's lovely. I love how she puts everything together. And then you've got the snowflake. Being different is a beautiful thing. I read that completely wrong. And I love the fact that these are rounded, the corners. They weren't rounded before. I would love to see these rounded, but kind of hard, I suppose. I end up fussy cutting out them because the white bit annoys me. Oh, look at that owl Hedwig. It's not Hedwig, but I'm going to call it Hedwig. Then we've got a deco page at the back, and I love these dots because they are so functional for the for journaling and for hobos and for stylages and for pretty much any paper planner even. And then you've got loads of snowflakes, and they've got this gorgeous, look at these florals, just beautiful. And then we've got another sheet of some washi strips, and then we've got another one. So we've got, is it the same? Oh, it's slightly different because she's put a feather on it. I like that. Oh, and a flower. I like that, having two variations. That's kind of cool. And I do like these foldable ones. And then we've got the extra boxes and flags and doodah bits at the back. And then we've got the standard page that we get every month with this. Oh. No. It's changed. Sammy, no. I'm going to cry. I'm not going to cry, but I'm going to complain. Where are the little Mondays gone? Oh, no. So this is Rejuvenate. Hang on. Were they in Shop to? I don't have Girls Trip at the minute. It's been held ransom. So I can't compare to that one. It was in Shop to Drop. Oh no, has she changed it? Okay. I like these. However, I really liked the mini days of the week because they're perfect for sidebars. I'm gonna message her and complain. Where have they gone? If she's watching this now, she'll probably be laughing her head off. But yeah, that's the sticker book. Look, I love it. It's so me as well. I love this. Then we have the stamp set, and we have a snow globe, which is just gorgeous. I've got an idea for this. And we've got some snow, and then we've got some snowflakes, some bullet points, some paw prints, more like asterisk stars, all the little owls. And look at how cute he is. Oh, he's so adorable. And this is a positive sign. That's a cool stamp set. I can't wait to use that. And then we have the die cuts and the, sorry for the rattling. 2 seconds. Oh, snowflake stuck. So these are adhesive die cuts. They have a film on the back that you just... Oh, hang on. They're not adhesive. Okay. Normally they are. I'll message Sammy about that. Maybe this month was different. I'll have to check. So we have our gorgeous art card with the girl on. She's beautiful. Again, I have no idea what her name is. We didn't know what the last girl's name was. So I'm wondering if that is on purpose now. So it's like Planner's Anonymous. She's anonymous, maybe. Because the girl used to be anonymous. So I love this. It's so pretty. Then we have the die cuts. I'm a bit sad that they're not adhesive. But yeah. So we have this gorgeous scene. Window scene and the girl. And then we have a big tree trunk. Some pine forest trees. And some boots. And then we have the gorgeous... Oh, this just makes a gorgeous bookmark, look. Just on its own. And we've got some florals, and lots of these little snowflakes are everywhere. Let me zoom in just a little bit closer so you can see them all. And we've got some feathers. Oh, we've got a gorgeous mini. I've not seen a mini before in these, I don't think. And then we've got this little owl. My cat looks like that when he curls up to go to sleep. And there's more flowers and feathers, and we've got this gorgeous cocoa that looks so good enough to drink, and we've got this gorgeous scene. It really reminds me of Hogwarts. flowers, more snowflakes, loads of snowflakes, and then we have 2 of the gorgeous wolves. So there. So that's all the die cuts. And then last but not least, just get rid of my hair there, we have, hang on a minute, I am lying, they are adhesive. It's just, oh wow, they're even thinner than they used to be. Okay, cool. They are adhesive. It's me. It's because they're thinner than they were. And I just saw that hanging off it and I was like, ooh. So they are adhesives. Oh, yay. I'm glad of that. Ignore me. And then last but not least, we have the mystery item. And the mystery item, let me get it out of the pack. If you do not want to see now, please turn off. This is the end of the video if you do not want to see the mystery item. But I am going to turn it over in 3, 2, 1. We have this gorgeous snowflake charm with the matching colour dangles. And it is in silver. And yes, I've got a silver one. Silver one is what I wanted. I think it was last month I said that I really wanted a silver one. I know Sammy sends me little sneak peeks and I see little sneak peeks on the YouTube videos about what the next kit theme is. I think the next one is, I'm waiting for, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for Girls Trip, which was December's, but that is in with my September order. I think Michael's packed them together and that's why it never came, because it took it over the weight limit. Anyway, so I'm waiting for that, and then I'm now waiting for Pretty Posy, which would have only just shipped around the last couple of weeks anyway. And then next month is Pink Lemonade, I want to say. I'm sure it was Pink Lemonade. It's definitely lemonade, but it's pink, so, and yellow, so I'm sure it's Pink Lemonade. It makes sense. So that's coming, and Pink Lemonade. No, I've missed one. Plum Blossom. I haven't had that one either. So, oh no, hang on. So I'm waiting for Pretty Posy. So this was January. So February would have been Pretty Posy because that was a flashback kit. Then currently open, this is where I'm getting confused. Currently open to subscriptions is Plum Blossom. And that closes off this week, I believe. And then it's Pink Lemonade. So I'm waiting for 2. Am I? Bar, Girls Trip and Serenity, I'm waiting for. Oh god, I don't know. But anyway, I did say last time, I was like, I need a pink. I need a silver paperclip because I'm here for silver, and silver is what I use in all my planning. I can't even find my planner now, it's buried. But yeah, I really wanted a silver one, so I absolutely love these. They're just so pretty. So pretty. So I'm glad I've got that. So yeah, I absolutely love this new style of artwork. It is something fresh, it's something new. This girl's beautiful, and the detail. The new artist is awesome. I love both artists, this one and Holly. They are both very, very talented. And yeah, so I cannot wait. I think, right, let me get this right. Pretty Posy 2 is a flashback kit from Pretty Posy 1. And that is in the old style art. And then we have Plum Blossom, which is this style art. And I think Pink Lemonade is in this style art as well. It looks it from the preview. I've only seen the title. But yeah, I tried to avoid spoilers, even though Sammy sends me some. And I'm like, wow, I want it all. But yeah, this is my first genuine reaction to this kit. I didn't actually think it was ever going to turn up. But there we are. I'm just so glad it has, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at this washi. I can't wait to do. I'm not gonna wait till the end of the year. Come on, please let it snow so I can have something to like decorate with. It's just stunning. Just yeah. So thank you for joining me today. I'm just rambling on now. I'm gonna go. Thanks for joining me today, and take care of yourselves. And I'll speak to you soon. See you later. Bye.